Howdy guys, today we're up at East Bethel and we've got ourselves a Lebaron here, and it is a green 1995 Chrysler Lebaron GTC. According to that, it's got a vinyl top on it that has seen better days, but it's not completely shot. Inside we've got this beige interior. It is a two-door Lebaron. Did they make these in four-door? Pretty sure they did. Whatever, it's a two-door Lebaron. It's got beige interior. We've got power windows, manual mirror, manual locks. This looks like an aftermarket cruise control, if you ask me. Somebody tell me if I'm right or wrong there, but I'm pretty sure. Well, I know that's an aftermarket because the factory cruise control will be right here. So that's an aftermarket cruise. That's kind of cool. Looks like it was at a dealer recently. That's where it came from. It's probably a trade-in or something. I see a Jiffy Lube sticker 207604 in 23. Got a calendar that says December of 23, so this thing was probably on the road recently. We've got, what do we got on there? 208,817 miles. It's got a really cool instrument cluster on it. I kind of like that. It's got all four of your system gauges. Then you got a tach, and then your speedo and odometer. It's got a power convertible top, as you can see here. That's cool. It is an automatic, looks like a 4-speed, so it's probably like a 4.1 TE, a 4.0 TE. We've got an older style Chrysler cassette stereo, single climate control. Back seat looks pretty a-okay. Not bad. How do you, I'm looking here, do you just pull that and that pulls? Yep. That lever right there will fold the seat forward. It's got these really interesting floor mats in it. I don't know that that's factory. That one definitely ain't. That's a Goodyear one. Are these ashtrays, or what are these? Are they the clips for the sunroof, or not sunroof, but final top or something? Headliner's present. Let's take a seat inside here, I guess. I've been eyeballing. This is a really nice looking hubcap. Figure out what size that is. I like the silver with the gold. They're all there. I see a bunch of insurance cards from Oakdale, Minnesota, it looks like. There's a bunch of papers on the passenger seat here. Vehicle road tax. It's all road tax stuff. Nothing else in the glove box. I don't know, let's take a look on the exterior of this little girl. What size are these? These are 15s, by the way. I'll make sure the hubcap fits, but I don't see any of the other ones, unfortunately. It's got newer shocks that are blown. This is a new rear drum on here. The body's not too bad. The rockers are getting could be worse. Look at that baby little antenna. What is that? Because there's the antenna. Is that like a CB antenna or something? I didn't see anything. What are you? We can't get into the back. Came from Miller Chevrolet. See if I can pop the trunk. Ow! Fuck me. Oh, I just bashed my head. Fuck me. That hurt a little, guys. Ow, 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 ow. There's no keys. I can't pop the trunk. I don't see a trunk lever anywhere. I need to watch where I'm going. Frick, man, that hurt. It's all good. I think I'm good. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, I can't get into the trunk, I don't think. I bashed my head right on the corner of that. That hurt. I was looking down here and I guess I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I don't see no trunk button. Interesting. Well, that case. It's a Grand Caravan that did that to me. Alright guys, if I start saying gibberish, it's because I bashed my head. Under the hood we got a 3.0 V6. That is a new transmission, you can tell by the way it is. I'm looking for... Gates timing belt was installed at 126 in 2011. There's the transmission control, so it is a 4.0 or a 4.1 TE of some fashion. Some of y'all might know better, but yeah, it's a new transmission under here. Other than that, looks like it had a new air filter on it. A starter. It's a Ford starter, that's not from this. Other than the new transmission, I'm seeing the usual. Plugs have been replaced at one point. It's got a Service Champ oil filter on it down there. What is this? Oh, this is that cruise control box. Here's that aftermarket cruise. Oh, pretty neat. Somebody left their gloves up there. Whoops. But yeah, that's I guess that's this 95 Chrysler Lebaron GTC at You Pull Our Parts in East Bethel. And thank you guys for watching today's video.